Come on.
The moms would be like, just steal it.
Gotta come to, she's gotta handle this her own way. She's driving the bus. I'm not, and you know, I have not told her yet, nor will I tell her how I think she should handle it because it's not me.
Yeah.
And
Decide.
no.
How hard was that, like, the process?
Applied. And so she was what they call a fall from the sky baby. Her birth mother had not knew all along she was going to put her up for adoption, but never made a plan, never talked to an agency, never told her family she was pregnant.
Not wanting to give birth at the hospital.
Well, she wanted to.
She wanted to.
She just didn't get there in time.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So she was on the way to the hospital, she just didn't make it.
That makes sense.
She wants to find her, which she probably will. I told her I'd have to find her after her sister is an adult. Yeah. I told her I'd have to find her after her sister is an adult.
Come on.
Basically, when hair's too perfect, that's when it looks fake, if that makes sense.